So basically, in the previous video, we showed like an installation for the Britax Romer Evolva 1, 2, 3. And, we passed the seat belt through, at various points through different red arrows that you can find on the car seat. The car seat belt goes through the headrest as a single hole, through the lap red plastic here, through the red arrow, right through the back, comes up from the back through the other red plastic on your left hand side plastic. Um, and depending on the suitability for your car seat, you might need the recliner. So, if you want to recline your seat, you can just, press that lever forward and your seat is reclined. But, what if we had the harness on and we wanted to take it off? How do we do that? So I'll be demonstrating that, in the subsequent video. And, like in the previous video, we had like a baby doll, to demonstrate, the fitting of the harness, but we couldn't move the headrest because of the position of the harness. But now that's been removed here, you can see how you can adjust the headrest by moving the lever behind. So here we're going to try to get out the harness, and the first thing we need to do is to undo the buckle. And once we've undone the buckle, and then we'll flip it around to take out the plastic casing, which is here. So we'll take that out now. So as soon as we take out the plastic cover, it reveals the strap on the metal yoke or the bracket. So we'll flip it around and we'll pop our finger right into this buckle lever, and as soon as we press that down, we can extend the strap from behind, to full length. So in removing the 5-point harness, we're losing the harness straps as far as possible. Then we push the shoulder strap adjuster up as far as it will go. Then subsequently unhook the shoulder straps from the connecting piece. So here I'm pushing the shoulder strap adjuster, up as far as it will go. Then subsequently what I'll do from here is to unhook the shoulder straps from the connecting piece. Basically just sliding it off the hook, off the connecting piece. And so the next bit would be undoing the chest straps from both ends. So subsequently, I'd be looking to taking up the chest straps from both ends. And so I'd line up one of the chest straps with, the upper strap and make them the same length and pull it out from the other side. This bit here prevents, it from slipping out. So hold both straps and keep adjusting, till it becomes the same height. Keep holding them in line and keep adjusting till they become almost virtually the same height. And do the same thing on the other end. Take out the chest strap and with the shoulder straps, line them up, make sure they're about the same length, and pull it out from the other side. Stretch it out and pull it out from the other side. Subsequently do the same thing. You line them up again and adjust it. Just keep adjusting till they're about the same height. So basically, the next step would be to align them two loops together. Adjust them till they're about the same height, and take off the covers, them two covers. I think the aim here is to store the rolled up straps and shoulder pads in them two whole compartments where you've got like the arrows facing in. So, you don't want the loops to get lost in the black bit, right before the shoulder pads. So, like I said, when it's rolled up, they go in them two compartment holes. So you can see I would roll them. I wouldn't let them slip into the black bit before them shoulder pads. So roll all of them together, and it's like I'm salvaging the straps. I want to store them. So I'll take that little elastic black piece there, but prior to doing that, you've got this buckle tongue, so I'd put that, at the back so that it's not uncomfortable for them kids. So whilst they're sitting, I don't need it anymore, so I'd stick it right at the back. Okay, then get the elastic band and wrap that around the rolled up shoulder pad, the strap loop and the strap itself, and fit it right into the compartment hole there. So I'll twist the chair around so you can see the car seat, and you can see how it's perfectly slotted into that compartment hole. Okay, so I'll just repeat the same process for the other strap. So like I did before, roll the strap loops, roll the shoulder pad all together, especially, taking cognizance that they're about the same length. So roll it up. Again, take that little bit off the back, to find more clearance or space, and put the buckle tongue, right where I don't need them, and roll the elastic band around, the rolled up strap and shoulder pads and what have you got there, and just stick it into the compartment hole. So that's about it really. So for this setting process, and you can see that it's well slotted in there. So I'll just buckle the lower strap back on, into their plastic compartments, but I'll be avoiding, the buckle tongue, which I didn't want, the kids to be sitting on. So I just make sure that it's further in whilst, doing the back cover back on, the lower back cover. So I'm just like, clipping them back together, just making sure that they're in their original positions in situ. So, just basically clipping everything, back into their original positions. But, I think that the aim here is just to provide clearance and not for the kids so that nothing's in the way. Okay? And so at this stage, we've still got the lower bit of the harness, still on the seat, although we've provided clearance, but we've still got that bit there, you know. And if we want to take that out, then, this lower back, you would need to fit it in, somewhere, around the back there. That back bit there would need to come off. This bit here, yeah, that would need to come off, So basically, I'll be showing you how to get this buckle off, you know, that forms part of the harness or the strap on. So basically, we flip the car seat over. Remember, we had the U connecting piece that was stretched out from behind. So what we've got to do here is to take off the strap that extends, onto the connecting piece. So you've got another piece there just underneath the car seat. So I'll be taking the strap off. The I think this is more like a square piece there. So I will be taking the strap off the square piece connecting piece there. So I'll be taking the lower and the upper strap off the buckle. So I've taken the lower one and taken out the upper bit off from the piece. So we pull it off and leave the other strap on. Now the buckle is free, and that buckle there is free. Okay. And so we twist the connecting piece in a 90-degree angle, and then we push it out so that it sticks out from the other end. Okay. So we take the buckle and the strap out, and in order not to get it lost, just like I said before, we take off the cover and we stick it into the slot just behind the car seat of the backrest. Just maneuver your way through and just keep pushing till it fits in properly. And once done, just cover the backrest cover clips into their positions as we did before. Just make sure everything's sat in the proper positions and clip them through. Just make sure that the back cover is in the right place. So just draw the elastic straps from the bottom of the car seat into the respective plastic cover hooks underneath the seat. So just couple them into position. So basically, slot the elastic straps in the positions underneath. So just put them in the slot positions. Then we'll flip the car seat around, and then subsequently we clip the connecting piece into its retainer at the bottom of the backrest. And the strap, at the backrest, can, which extends at the backrest, could be pulled further and stored just underneath here, where is like a book compartment and whatnot, so it's out of the way. So pretty much store it there so it doesn't dangle about. And so now that we've taken the harness or the straps off, we've got more room to play. Initially, we had certain restrictions with regards to how we could extend the car seat, but now that we've taken up the strap, we can convert this to a high back booster car seat. Okay. And you can see that I'm adjusting it, with regards to suitability, or bespoke to, the height of the child, or the child's seating arrangement. So I'll slant it or slide it on the other side, so you can sort of like see the amount of play that we've got with regards to extending, the height of the car seat. And it's basically just turned into like a high back um, booster car seat. So pretty much just adjust, the height of the car seat to accommodate, the height of your child. And also, if need be, depending on your car seat arrangement, you can also adjust the recliner underneath the car seat. And that's about it, really. If you found the information useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Helps the channel grow. And hopefully catch up with you soon, as soon as I've got more upcoming videos. Goodbye and have a good one. Thank you for your time, and thanks for listening. Bye.